that. So if we just go to
North is the building, so we're gonna go north.
Okay.
That's like the support for the supports.
I came to engineering camp because I thought it'd be a great opportunity to understand engineering and what it really is.
I was really interested in wanting to learn more about mechanical engineering specifically. Also just the idea of engineering in general, because I didn't know that much about it. One branch that I didn't even consider at all was surveying. I didn't even know about that. And then Cripe came and did an activity with us, and it completely blew my mind, and I immediately looked into intern options with them. But going to the airport was really a good experience because I've actually never been to an airport because I've never flown anywhere. And the speakers that we listened to while we were there were they had a lot to say, and they had said the most common sense things that I'd never thought about before.
They were acting as a team.
I've really enjoyed the building process and the ability to turn my thinking into actual projects that turn into like something that would really help others. I would say that this camp is an awesome experience. It's awesome to be able to meet new people.
Oh my gosh, okay, so if somebody told me that they were thinking about coming here, I would say absolutely do it, 100%, because I am gonna leave this camp with so much more knowledge than I'd had coming into it. It's just such an amazing opportunity because I never thought I would know all this stuff. I never thought I would get the chance to learn about it before I actually chose what I wanted to do for college.